To integrate Revolut into your business or personal finance system, start by understanding the basics of the platform. Revolut is a digital banking alternative that offers a range of services including payment, processing, currency exchange, and account management. The first step in integrating Revolut is to create an account and set up your profile. This involves providing identification and verifying your email address and phone number. Once your account is set up, you can explore the various integration options available. One key concept to understand is the Revolut API, which allows you to connect your account to other applications and services. The API provides a secure way to access your account data and perform transactions programmatically. You can use the API to integrate Revolut with your e-commerce platform, accounting software, or other business tools. A practical example of Revolut integration is connecting your account to an online invoicing tool. This allows you to automatically generate invoices and receive payments from clients, all within the Revolut platform. You can also use the API to build custom applications, such as a mobile app for tracking expenses or a web platform for managing multiple accounts. Best practices for Revolut integration include ensuring security and compliance, testing and validating integrations, and monitoring and optimizing performance. It is essential to handle sensitive data securely and comply with relevant regulations, such as GDPR and PCI DSS. To get started with Revolut integration, you can use the official documentation and developer resources provided by Revolut. These resources include code samples, tutorials, and API references that can help you build and test your integrations. You can also join the Revolut developer community to connect with other developers and get support for your integration projects. In summary, integrating Revolut into your business or personal finance system can be a powerful way to streamline transactions and improve financial management. By understanding the basics of the platform, using the API, and following best practices, you can build secure and effective integrations that meet your needs. With the right tools and resources, you can unlock the full potential of Revolut and take your financial management to the next level.